Welcome to a series of videos designed to help you get the most out of Final Draft 12. In this tutorial, we're using a Mac, but we'll show you the Windows menus if they're different. Our focus is on collaboration. The Final Draft collaboration feature allows real-time collaboration on a script for any number of co-writers, Windows or Mac. All you need is an internet connection. To host a collaboration session, open Final Draft and click the Collaboration button. Enter your name and select the script you'd like to share with your collaborators. If the script you want to work on is already on screen, click OK to start the session. You can open an existing script or start a new one from the list of templates and click OK to start the session. You'll be given a session ID. Call, email, or text this ID to your collaborators to invite them to the session. They simply click the Collaboration button and go to the Join tab. Here, they enter their name and the session ID you gave them and click OK. Allow them into the session and then they'll see what you, as the host, sees. Notice the color bar next to you and your collaborators' names. This color will correspond to your blinking cursor in the document. All participants in a session can edit the script at the same time. They can also write on different pages in the script at the same time. If you have a question or a note for your colleague during the writing session, use the chat function. If one or more of the participants aren't seeing new edits, the host can click Refresh and the script will update on everyone's screen. If you want to denote changes made to the script during a collaboration session, the host can go to the Edit menu and select Turn on Tracking. Any subsequent changes, like additions or deletions, will be marked using Final Draft's Track Changes feature. Any changes made by a collaborator will now show in that writer's discrete collaboration color, which will be the same color as their cursor. When reviewing individual changes, the Track Changes popover will show the writer name used for the collaboration session. Once a writer leaves or ends a collaboration session, any remaining track changes made by that writer will show the writer name and color the writer chose in their Final Draft 12 preferences. On Windows, this is set under Tools, Options. During a collaboration session, you can also insert, view, and edit script notes. When a collaborator opens or inserts a script note, the script note becomes locked for other collaborators while the initial collaborator edits it in the script note's popover. Other collaborators can still view the script note and see who's working on it. The script note's header bar will indicate the name of its current editor. Changes made to the script note will update for other collaborators once the note is closed by its editor. Once a script note is closed by its editor, another collaborator can open and edit the script note the same way. The beatboard can also be used during a collaboration session. You can begin a collaboration session while on the beatboard. Or you can switch from a page view to the beatboard at any time during a session. Similar to script notes during collaboration, a beat becomes locked when created or opened by a collaborator. A selected beat will show a selection ring in the collaboration color of its editor. It'll be the same color as that collaborator's cursor in the script. When a beat is moved, edited, assigned a color, connected by a flow line, or resized, the change will update on other collaborators' beatboards. The same process works for the outline editor. When a beat is added to the outline editor or selected, the beat's outline goal will show a selection ring in the unique color of the collaborator currently working on it. Any changes made on the outline editor during a collaboration session will update on other collaborators' outline editors. Like moving a goal, resizing a goal, applying a color to a goal, editing a goal's preview will update in real time. You can also send your outline goals to the script during a collaboration session by pressing the Send Outline to Script button on the Outline Editor's left panel. And since the Outline Editor works during collaboration in a script or beatboard view, you can see it update your script in real time, or switch back from the beatboard to find your outline goals in the script as outline elements. When in a script view, you can also double-click on any scene in the Outline Editor script lane to go to that scene. And if you need to hide or show your outline elements, any collaborator can go to the View menu and select Hide Show Outline in Script so that you're all looking at the same layout and page count. For more on track changes, script notes, using the beatboard, the Outline Editor, and outline elements, be sure to watch more of our Final Draft 12 tutorials. That way, you can make sure you're maximizing what these powerful tools can do for you. When you close a collaboration session, everyone can save a copy of the file to their hard drive. Your computer and your colleagues' computers are the only places where the work is saved. Final Draft's collaboration system does not store your content on a third-party server. Now you know the basics of the collaboration tool. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, we want to hear them. Just go to Help, submit feedback, and let us know what you think. If you need technical support, go to Help, get support for access to Final Draft resources, including email, chat, and phone services. To watch more helpful video tutorials, visit the Final Draft YouTube channel at youtube.com/FinalDraftInc. Final Draft, the industry standard screenwriting software.